To make a purl stitch, you start by inserting your right needle into the last stitch on your left needle from back to front. Okay, so we're coming up from back to front. Okay, so I'm putting my needle in from behind and then up through that stitch. Now I'm going to, with the yarn in front, wrap the yarn around the needle. Okay, so I went over top and around the needle, and then I'm going to pull this loop I just made through. So I'm pulling that loop I just made through the loop that was already on my left needle, and then drop the loop off my left needle. So again, my yarn is in front of my work. I am inserting my right hand needle up from back to front through the loop on my left hand needle. I am taking my yarn, I am wrapping it over top of the right hand needle, and then I'm taking that right hand needle and pulling that yarn over through the stitch on my left hand needle and pulling that off. I'll show you one more time without spinning things around. Okay, and then I'll show you that if you are holding your yarn in your other hand. So here we go, through and then over and through. Okay, put your needle through the loop, through the stitch, yarn over, pull that yarn over through. And that is all it takes to make a purl stitch.